So, what about getting the good grades? Getting good grades is easy. But how? It's not about how much you have studied, it's about how much you have revised.
Unknown brain.
Is studying hard? Probably yes, if it is the wrong way. But if you carry out the better way, it's easy. Why do I need to study? It's because everyone is studying. Today you are at the right place. Here I gonna share you the best tips so that you can get up to 90 to 99% better in the case of studying. Either you have to deal with the normal learnings, or if your exam is a month later, a week later, or in 24 hours. Let me all take you to the journey of the 9 steps. So starting with the step number 1. Just start. When you actually sit to study, half of your things is already done. But just dedicate that time purely on study, no distraction. If you have a phone, just get it to flight mode, or if it is distracting you more often, then throw it away. Step 2. Choose the best place to study. If there is a peaceful library in your college or outside where silent readers approach, then you can surely go to it. Cause when you see the surrounding, everyone is reading, you will be motivated. Cause it triggers your brain. If they are reading, why not me? Step 3. In case you are at home, get started with the timer on your phone or the laptop screen and set it open for a while. This has really helped me, cause for all tick when the time is running by, you must know that for every 1 minute I am 60 seconds approaching near to my coming exams or assignments deadline. Step 4. Get a fixed routine. You must manage the certain hours of the day for the pure study and carry out. If you want to study truly for a longer time, you have to dedicate the certain 6 to 7 hours every day for pure study and achieve it anyhow. Either you are early bird or night owl. You have to get the proper time that is fit for yourself. Step 5. Use different colored pens. This can help you being away from the monotonous shaming. Get a highlighter to highlight some important points. Step number 6. Take a break. Have a relaxing break of about 10 minutes after a long hectic 50 minutes study. Drink water, be fresh and continue again. But be away from the notifications and your cell phone distraction. Step number 7. Taking notes is vital. Every time you study, make your own notes. This could help you grab the knowledge even better next time you see the same page. Step 8. Start with complicated subject at first. Cause when you start with the harder steps, then it's easy to descend to the easier, but vice versa is quite hard. The most important, step 9, the theory of active recall. Revision is necessary, but it doesn't mean to see what you have written. It must be the recollection. Take a look at the paper you have written. Grab a pen and write everything what you remember in a new piece of paper. If you forget the things, compare and fill the gaps reading again. Don't just learn, be the one to ask questions. Because when you could prepare the questions, the answer will be remembered for quite a longer period, and human mind remembers the answers that are questioned more often. So all these 9 steps sums up to a 4-step guide, that is learning, revision, practice and analysis. Also, you could discuss the topic in the friend circle. That way you could grab the more information. Last but not the least, the 3-2-1 method. For anything to remember, read it for 3 times, repeat it aloud for 2 times, and write it for 1 time. This could probably help you. If one idea didn't work, try the another, because one river has to change many different directions before it could actually reach the sea. And my favorite quote from the Dale Carnegie: knowledge is not power until it is applied. So this much for today. This is Inertia Anish. Thank you for watching till the end, and if you feel it of some value, then don't forget to like and follow me. Thank you everyone.
Unknown brain.
So living in the Tarai belt of Nepal and the hot climate, we are about at the temperature of 41 degrees Celsius, so it is very difficult to sustain life, but I'm doing. So nothing is difficult in life. If you could, then you can achieve the greatness. But study hard, study well, and you could get the better grades. This was for today. Thank you for being up to the end of the video. Thank you. If you have a phone, just get it to flight mode or even throw it away. Didn't it crack?